Mahindra is back with a bold and aggressive upgrade to its legendary Bolero lineup, the Mahindra Bolero Samurai. This is not just another SUV, it's a modern-day warrior built for Indian roads, rural tracks, and everything in between. The Samurai Edition brings together the classic Bolero DNA with a fresh design language, upgraded features, and muscular performance. Welcome to Bikebrand Pro as we take a deep dive into this rugged beast. Design. Raw muscle with urban style. The Bolero Samurai gets a bold makeover. It still carries the strong boxy silhouette but adds sharper lines, blacked out elements, and a matte finish grille for a more aggressive stance. The Samurai Edition may come with exclusive decals, smoked headlamps, and dual-tone bumpers, giving it a fierce yet refined look. The SUV sits on newly designed alloy wheels with high-profile tires to dominate both city and countryside. Its road presence is unmistakable, from the chrome elements on the front to the raised stance that screams dominance. Interior. Practical and purpose-built. Inside the cabin, the Samurai is expected to feature an upgraded dashboard layout with a mix of utility and modern touches. Expect dual-tone upholstery, digital instrument cluster, power windows, and an enhanced infotainment system with Bluetooth and USB connectivity. The seating remains high and commanding, giving drivers full visibility on rural roads and highways. While the Bolero Samurai remains practical, it may include a few comfort upgrades like fabric seats, rear parking sensors, and a mobile charging port to cater to both rural and semi-urban users. Engine and performance. Built like a tank. Under the hood, the Bolero Samurai will likely continue with the 1.5 Lm Hawk diesel engine, trusted for its durability and mileage. It produces around 75 to 80 bhp and more than 200 Nm of torque, perfect for tough terrains and heavy loads. This engine is paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, offering a balanced blend of power and efficiency. Whether you're navigating city traffic or climbing a rough incline in the hills, the Samurai is engineered to deliver confidence. Suspension and ground clearance. No road, no problem. Mahindra knows Indian conditions well, and the Samurai reflects that with its rugged suspension set up front its coil springs and rear leaf springs. This combination makes the SUV ready for potholes, broken roads, and rural off-road use. With a high ground clearance of over 180 mm, the Samurai rides above obstacles that would trouble most urban SUVs. It is built for the real India, where adventure begins where the tarmac ends. Safety and technology. Strong and smart. The Bolero Samurai isn't just brute strength, it includes the basic safety features that matter. Dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, seatbelt reminders, and a strong steel body structure. Expect a digital speedometer, a multi-info display, and possibly cruise control for highway comfort. Mahindra might also introduce basic connected features or smart alerts for a more modern driving experience. Price and variance. Value for the brave. The expected price of the Mahindra Bolero Samurai could start from around 9 lakh rupees ex-showroom, targeting those who want power and presence without breaking the bank. It will likely be available in multiple trims and colors, including exclusive black or desert tan options. With competitive pricing, the Samurai aims to dominate the rural, commercial, and adventure SUV segments alike. Conclusion. The legend evolved. The Mahindra Bolero Samurai is more than an upgrade, it's a statement. It takes the proven legacy of the Bolero and reimagines it for the bold, the practical, and the fearless. Whether you're a farmer, traveler, or small business owner, the Samurai is built to handle your world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bikebrand Pro for more real-world vehicle reviews, comparisons, and upcoming auto news. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you ride the Samurai?